how to equip titles in Brawl Stars. Now, first things first, before we dig deep into the tutorial, you gotta make sure that you're currently using or running the latest version of Brawl Stars. For you to be able to know, just head directly to your Google Play Store and then search or look for Brawl Stars from here. Now, you should be able to know if your Brawl Star needs an updating because there is gonna be an update button visible there. So all you have to do is just tap on update and it will automatically give you the latest version of the game. Now for you to be able to equip your title, of course you'll have to make a title first and you have to reach the mastery level of 10. Now for you to be able to check that, just head directly to your profile, which is located at the top left portion of your screen. Now in here, just choose on battle card. Now, this is going to be the pins that you can use or customize from your mastery levels icons. Now, for you to change or equip your titles, you'll have to choose on the last part of these options right here, which is going to be the default title right here. So as you can see, you'll have to unlock titles first at mastery level 10 for each brawler. So that's it. That's how you equip titles in Brawl Stars.